Good evening, dear student. Let us discuss some important topic related to electrochemistry. Today we are going to discuss about EMF and some important relationship. So, dear student, the potential difference between the two electrodes of a galvanic cell is called cell potential. That is, if the potential difference between two electrodes, if there is a difference between two electrodes, their potential difference between two electrodes, then get this type is called cell potential, and it is measured in volts. And we know that potential difference, the SI unit of potential difference is volt, so it is measured in volts. So dear student, the cell potential is the difference between the electrode potential. As we know that from IUPAC nomenclature, it is considered as a reduction potential of the cathode and anode, and it is called cell electromotive force, that is EMF. So cell potential is the difference between electrode potential and electrode potential, I mean to say that about reduction potential, okay, of the cathode and anode, and this is called EMF, that is cell electromotive force. This is very important of the cell when no current is drawn through the cell. If there is no any current is drawing through the cell, then we can say that it is the EMF. Now, dear student, while some chemical reaction is going on electrode and electrodes, that is anode and cathode, how we can represent this? For this, a galvanic cell is generally represented by putting vertical lines between metal and electrolyte solutions. Suppose in a half cell, zinc rod is there, zinc electrodes are there, and zinc sulfate is there. So zinc electrode is present as an anode or cathode, and electrolyte zinc sulfate is electrolyte. So we have to put a vertical line to show metal and electrolyte solutions. Okay, and putting a double vertical lines, the two electrolytes connected by salt bridge. And as we know that in the galvanic cell, salt bridge is present. To indicate the salt bridge, we have to indicate with the double lines, double vertical lines. Okay, I think you understand. Under this convention, the EMF of cell is positive. If you are indicating in such a manner, then the EMF is considered as positive and is given by the potential of the half cell on the right hand side. And on the right hand side, we have to write a positive minus the potential difference half cell on the left hand side. So E cell is given by a relationship, that is E right minus E left. Example, we take an example for a cell reaction. Copper combined with silver iron to form copper iron and silver metal. Let us see the half reaction. What the half reaction is going on in this? इसमें half reaction तो होगा ही. So at cathode what happened? As we know that at the cathode reduction takes place. So reduction means gain of electron, reduction. So here silver gain electron to form silver metal, so it is considered as cathode. On the other hand, anode is considered anode electrode, oxidation taking place, the loss of electron is there. So copper converted to copper and electrons. So the cell can be represented as the rules I have given you. Metal and salt solution give a single vertical line, and salt bridge is indicated by double vertical lines. So here, first of all, the right side is taken and it is copper, vertical line copper iron, here copper, vertical line is copper iron, double vertical line silver, and silver and silver. So this is the indications we can indicate like this. And above we can also write according to the relationship. What is the relationship? E cell equal to E right minus E left, where E right, this is the right side. So E right, what happened? Silver iron, vertical line silver, okay, minus E left, copper iron. Here the copper iron is formed, okay, copper iron, then copper. So as already discussed about this, EMF is considered as a reduction potential. So first of all, a reduction is written, that is cathode and followed by एनोड, रिडक्शन फॉलोड बाय ऑक्सीडेशन। फर्स्ट रिडक्शन यहाँ हो रहा है तो रिडक्शन हो रहा है तो रिडक्शन को पहले लिखेंगे और फिर उसके बाद ऑक्सीडेशन लिखते हैं। तो यहाँ देखो सिल्वर आयन देन सिल्वर माइनस कॉपर, ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है तो कॉपर एंड कॉपर आयन एंड देन कॉपर। So this is the relationship by which we can represent. I think you better understand about EMF and how we can represent the electrode and electrolyte and the charge bridge with a relationship. So only for today that much. In the next video we will come with the more interesting topics. Thank you.